Welcome to IMCEI. Today's topic is clock part B. The first question is, a clock is set to show the correct time at 8 a.m. in the morning. The clock gains 10 minutes in a day. What will be the approximate time when the watch indicates 4 p.m. next day? Now first we find out from 8 a.m. to next day 4 p.m. What is the time interval? 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. The next interval is 24 hours. And from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. it's coming 8 hours. So the next value is coming 24 plus 8, which is 32 hours. And also the clock in 24 hours, clock is slow by 10 minutes, that is 10 by 60 hour. So in 1 hour, clock is slow by 10 by 60 into 24 hour. Now the formula. 2 time interval, which we don't know. Time intervals in the incorrect clock, that is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. which we already got the value, which is 32 hours. 1 divided by 1 plus minus. Plus will happen if the clock is fast or gain time, and minus clock is slow or clock is losing time. Hour gained or lost in 1 hour by incorrect clock, value we already got. The value is 10 divided by 16 to 24. If we put the value here, finally we got the answer, that is 31 hours 47 minutes. So morning 8 a.m. with that 31 hours 47 minutes we have to add to get the actual value, which we are getting 3 hours 67 minutes. Now here, how am I getting it? 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. that is 24 hours. So from 31 hours 47 minutes, I am subtracting 24 hours. So 47 minutes is left here. This is 7 hours. Now, so that is next day 8 a.m. With that, if we add 7 hours 47 minutes, we will get 3:47 p.m. that is next day. So this is my final answer. Now the next question. The minute hand of a clock overtakes the hour hand at an interval of 66 minutes of the correct time. How much in a day does the clock gain or lose? We have to remember a simple trick that the hand of the clock coincide every 5 by 11 minutes. So here we need to apply the simple formula. The formula is total time gain or lost, means if it is a positive sign, the clock is fast, that is time gain. If it is negative time, clock is losing time, that is clock is slow. The formula is 60 into t, where t is the total time, that is in here it is asked in a day. So value of t will be 24, and 65 5 by 11 minus x. X is the incorrect coincide time, which is already given, x equals to 66. If I put the value, I get my final answer, which is 11,109 by 121 minutes. Next question is, a watch which gains uniformly was observed to be 4 minutes slow at 6 a.m. on Monday. So 6 a.m. on Monday, watch was 4 minutes slow, so I am putting minus 4 minutes sign. On subsequent Thursday at 7 p.m. So Thursday 7 p.m. it was noticed that it was 6 minutes fast. So I am putting here the sign plus 6 minutes. So let us first find out the gap between Monday 6 a.m. and Thursday 7 p.m. So we are getting 3 days plus 13 hours, which is coming 85 hours. And here the net time gap is coming plus 6 minus of minus 4, which is 10 minutes. The question is, obviously in middle what time the clock was showing the correct time. So what am I doing? Here I can see in 85 hours clock gains 10 minutes. So clock gains 10 minutes in 85 hours. Now if we can move it 4 minutes plus, it will become neutral and it will show the actual time. So to make it 4 minutes fast, we need 34 hours using unitary method. So 6 a.m. Monday plus 34 hours, that is 4 p.m. Tuesday, the clock was showing the correct time.